Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace turbos on a Ford Taurus SHO. This can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's a manageable task. First, ensure your workspace is safe and you have all the required tools and replacement parts ready. Always disconnect the battery and drain fluids before starting any major engine work. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful repair process. Now, let's get to accessing those turbos. You'll need to carefully remove the air intake system and charge pipes, which are often in the way. Take your time disconnecting all the electrical connectors and vacuum lines attached to the turbochargers. Finally, unbolt the exhaust downpipes from the turbo outlets. Labeling connections can be very helpful here to ensure everything goes back correctly. With access clear, it's time for removal. Disconnect the oil and coolant lines from each turbocharger, being mindful of any residual fluid. Then, carefully unbolt and remove the old turbos from their mounting studs. When installing the new units, always use fresh gaskets and seals. Ensure all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications for a secure and leak-free installation. You're almost there. Reconnect all the exhaust downpipes, intake components, and fluid lines, double-checking every connection. Refill your engine oil and coolant, then properly bleed the cooling system to remove any air pockets. Start the engine and check for leaks or unusual noises. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Take it for a gentle test drive to ensure everything is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.